Hi there. Just gonna show you a little bit on how to use the Sketchpad or Sketch.io website so we can start using it to do drawing and painting assignments. It's one tool that I know that everybody in the class, probably 99% of the classes have access to this tool. So without further ado, we will go to Sketch.io. Here are some examples of what we're trying to create that I did during class, which some of you had seen and you can check out on your own. So first thing, click on Sketch.io, then go down to try out Sketchpad 2020. Yay! And let it load. Okay, there we go. I am going to get rid of this and start new. So I'm going down to the plus sign, and then I'm going to go to blank and create. There's my blank screen. So now I want to create that grass, line of grass. So I'm going to go to my tools up here, tools. Here's your tool. And I'm going to go to not pencil, but I am going to go straight to my paintbrush, and I'm going to change the outline color, which would be, for grass, green. Yep. And so again, use your left hand or one hand, your non-drawing hand, to hold on, click the trackpad, and then your other hand to do the drawing. And it's way easier. So I can fill in. I could go and make my line a little bigger, and it would be less back and forth. A little faster that way. All right. And then I'm going to do pencil. And in this video, I'm not going to, I'm going to make this a little darker. I'm not going to go into the detail that I did in class because I can only do this for about 5-minute video. I do not like 5-minute videos. They're too long. So I'm going to go straight to paintbrush and go to orange. So because I want to have a brown color for my tree. And I'm just going to do a couple of branches. And again, trees are always wider at the most of the time. I think 99% of the time are wider at the bottom. And at the top, there are some outlying trees there that do grow something differently. So then I'm going to go and change again to my another color. And I'm going to put in some leaves, happy little leaves. And look at that beautiful, happy tree. And yes, I'm turning into Bob Ross. And then I'm going to go and put a little undo. And I'm going to go and put in some darker leaves. And then I'm going to go and I want to define my leaves a little better. So I'm going to use a darker leaf color for a pencil. And click with my left hand, click with my left hand, and draw with my right. And that looks a little more leafy, even though it is super quick that I'm doing this. And you could add apples if you want. You could add oranges, I guess. This could be an orange tree. Anything, any kind of fruit that you like. You put a squirrel, whatever you like. Oh, but you got to put that obligatory. That means it has to be there. I'm going to go back to my paintbrush, and I'm going to take the blur out, make it really solid, and make a line. I'm going to make the hole. That's the owl hole. Okay, you got to have. If you sometimes this does not behave properly, but that's an online tool, so that's what happens with an online tool. Okay, so I'm going to do a little outline for the tree. And there you have it. You have a tree. But the last thing I'm going to show you how to do quickly before I run out of time is go back to the paintbrush. I'm going to make it really large. I'm going to make it light blue.